Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the Chrysler Group certified 2015 Chrysler 200 Limited, stock number B9405XA. 30,000 miles on this local trade. Clean auto check history report. We sold this 200 brand new, Billet silver metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper, a 6-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000 mile maximum care coverage with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. It's in the mid-size car class, seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read ice blue gauges with driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, touchscreen display for radio. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, heating and air conditioning, and compass display. Hard keys below for the things used most often. 9-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage space in the center console. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this 200 has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 23 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 36 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.